Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on time and work ratio examples. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about the formula and we have done some examples. Please follow the continuation class. So we are going step by step. The concepts will help you a lot in understanding these classes. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so A is twice as good a workman as B. In our last class we discussed that the efficiencies of works is inversely proportional to the time. So based on that formula these examples will be there. So A is twice as good a workman as B means A can do a work 2 times faster when compared to the B. So A and B together they finish a piece of work in 18 days. So A and B together, A plus B combinedly they can do it in 18 days. Means A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 18. From the basic formula, in how many days will A alone can finish the work? In how many days A alone can finish the work? So A's work is to B's work is a 2:1 ratio. A plus B complete in 18 days, both going to complete in 18 days. A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 18. They combinedly they do this work 1 day's work in 1 by 18. Out of this, what's the A's part? That is what we have to identify. So 1 by 18 he can do 2 times faster when compared to B. Means if 3 parts of the work is there, 2 parts can be finished by A. That is what ratio means. 2:1 means out of 3 parts he can finish 2 parts. So keep this point in the mind. This is very important to understand the remaining examples. Ratio, what is meant by ratio? Out of 3 parts he is going to finish 2 parts. A is going to finish 2 parts. So out of 1 by 18th 2 by 3 parts of the work is done by A. That is what his sponsorship on total work. A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 8. Out of that A is helping his hand 2 by 3 parts of the work out of 1 by 18. So that's why it is 1 by 27. Means A's 1 day's work is 1 by 27. So he can finish it in 27 days. If his work is 1 by 27, he can finish it in 27 days. So A finish it in 27 days. Now coming to that second one, A can do a certain job in 12 days. So A can finish a job in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. If 100 parts of work is done by, if A is 100%, B is 160%. So that is what B is 60% more efficient than A. How many days B alone can do the work? So work efficiency A and B are 100:160 means 5:8. If total how many parts are there? So 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 13 parts. Out of 13 parts, A's sponsorship is he can complete it in 5 parts. B's sponsorship is 8 parts. That is what the ratio means. You have to understand this point. That's why we are repeating it again. So assume B take X days. It's already given that A can finish it in 12 days. And in our last class we discussed the formula work efficiency and time are inversely proportional. A is to B work efficiency 5:8 equal to inversely proportional. B is to A timing is inversely proportional. So X is to 12. That is given as X is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 by 8 which is X is equal to 7.5 days. So X means B is going to take 7.5 days to complete the work. Because the work efficiencies are 5:8. He can do out of 13 parts, 8 parts can be finished by B. So that's why it is 7.5 days. Now coming to the third one, A and B undertake to do a piece of work for ₹600. So they take a job, A and B undertake to do a piece of work for ₹600. A alone can do it in 6 days. B alone can do it in 8 days. With the individual their capabilities are given, A can finish it in 6 days, B can finish it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. Means all of them, A, B, C, are going to finish, if the help of both, all of them can finish it in 3 days. Find the share of each. Whenever these type of problems has come, find the share of each. According to their work efficiencies, you have to share the amount. So according to the work efficiencies, A can finish it in 6 days, B can finish it in 8 days, means A is more efficient when compared to B. And it has given all of them together can complete it in 3 days. So these basic examples we have done in our previous class. A plus B plus C complete it in 3 days. A plus B plus C's 1 day's efficiency is 1 day's work is 1 by 3. C's 1 day's work is 1 by 3 minus A's 1 day's work is 1 by 6, because A can finish it in 6 days. 1 day's work is 1 by 6. B's 1 day's work is 1 by 8. That is C's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. Now coming to the working capability, A is to B is to C is 1 day's work is 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24. According to this, you have to share the amount. So if you do this, A is to B is to C is 4 is to 3 is to 1. So they are contributing, he is contributing much when compared to B, he is contributing much when compared to C. According to this, you have to share the amount. So 4 is to 3 is to 1. A's share is equal to, out of 600, he has to take 4 parts out of total 8 parts. Ratio is that out of 8, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8 parts, he is contributing 4 parts. So 4 by 8, that is equal to 300. B's share is 600 multiplied by 3 by 8. 3 parts he is contributing out of 8 parts, 3 by 8, that is equal to 225. C's share is 600 multiplied by 1 by 8. 1 part he is sharing out of 8 parts, 1 by 8 is equal to 75 rupees. This is what, this point you have to remember. According to the work efficiency, share the amount. Work efficiency can be obtained by everyday's working capability. So if you had these points in your mind, with practice you can easily solve the complex examples also. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.